Brother, who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to the London session. As you guys can see, a little bit of a change up here.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are good and ready. But we got our very own powerlifter back in the building. Big man, Edski, how you doing, brother?
What's up, Chad? Doing good, doing good. How you doing?
Hey, Chad, I think it's. I'm gonna give you a bit of fair warning. I think you're gonna get a bit of 50-50 reception, yeah. Chad's probably going to be glad to see you and wishing you well done. But I think the Chad's also quite upset at you. So you might get a 50-50 type of reaction here today. But Chad, nonetheless, it is good to be back here. Hope we missed you guys. That guy isn't bold. Hey, whoo,
I got clippers in my bag, I swear.
Chad. But yeah, as you guys know, just starting off with a little bit of the admin side. Cribbo won't be here with us this morning, so obviously Ed's stepping in. So thank you for that there, my brother. And then Chad, as you know, US bank holiday today, so there will be no New York stream. So I will keep all you DJs in my prayers as you guys go about your day. Because as much as I want to say don't do it, I know a lot of you guys are going to definitely do it. So I will be thinking of you and those accounts, and hopefully I see those accounts still alive tomorrow. But nonetheless, we're going to see what these markets have for us today. We've got quite a bit going on here. Gold is on the move. We've got a few things going here. I might actually, Chad, as we said, I'm slowly but surely, I am starting to go viral on TikTok. So we do appreciate the love that you guys are showing us there. But nonetheless, we're ready for these markets. Unfortunately, I haven't got in a position yet. At this point in time, the Project G guys are just on another level. Us as the mentors haven't even taken a trade yet, and these are actually sending in the chart flex there. Oh, 50s, 50, 100s, 100. And I'm like, what are you boys doing? Like,
Project G is on fire right now.
No, they are on next level at this point. But Chad, you know what? This is what we always say. Those that want it, if you want it bad enough, you're going to get it. Those that are sleeping, those that are finding excuses, those that are too immature to realize it's their own actions. If you're not winning, I'm sorry, you can't blame it on anyone else. You can't. That is for you to figure out. It's for you to take action. It's for you to make the difference. It's for you to go about and make that change in your life. We are just here to guide you and help you as much as we can, but at the end of the day, it will always be you that has to do it. Going back to the quick one, obviously it was happening as we started off, but again, Lindonia, appreciate the dono there, my brother. Chad, baby, best community, have a blessed day, Chad, and geez, man's not hot. There we go. My brother, can you just pass a one there for me, please? So, we are ready to go there, but Lyndon, appreciate the dono there. But let's see what we can get you. But nonetheless, we are ready to go. So as always, Keys, how's your back from all the carries? Slushy, bro. I'm choked, bro. I don't know how I'm gonna gym today. We're gonna have to figure that one out. I need my boys. I'm holding Jordan accountable. You see, you guys didn't think about it, but that was last night's tryouts. The weakest link is going to be eliminated, and Jordan's going to replace you guys. So I'm going to go review those performances, and whoever had the lowest performance, you guys are chalk tonight. Jordan's going to be my super sub, my bomb squad. And if Jordan does also give me false promises, Jordan's also getting subbed, and we're going to put someone else on. But nah, all jokes aside there, boys. It's a good time to be around. Obviously, we're talking quite a bit here. We had to just sort a few things out. We have 15 minutes to get ready for the markets open, but don't worry, nothing has happened yet, so you're not missing any position. All right. Oh, Slushy is a sweater. Hey. But Chad, we're gonna get it open up these markets. And if you are new, the only thing we are going to ask of you, everything that you will see here on this YouTube channel is for free. The streams, the videos, podcasts, all of that is for free. It's there for you guys. All we ask for you guys in return is to show your support, love, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, turn on notifications so you don't miss future content going about, because as you said, that is all we ask for on your side of things. But Chad, without further ado, we're going to get right into it. And as always, just the one time this channel, we are going to bring the volume down, and we're ready to open up with a prayer. And in doing so, just for our boy being back here, Ezki, I'm going to ask that you open up for us there, bro.
Let's do it. All right, Chad, let's close our eyes in prayer. Father, thank you for blessing us with another day, another opportunity where we can come to the markets, where we can provide for ourselves, provide for our families, where we can have these streams, where we can all get together as traders, where we can learn from each other, we can inspire each other, and we can have a hell of a good time as we do it. So we thank you that we've been blessed with the opportunity to be able to provide this, and blessed that we have such an amazing community who is a part of it. So we ask that you please be in our hearts and be in our minds and help us do this the right way, so that way we can lead the Chad in a good way, and the Chad can be led by us in a good way. So we ask that you please bless this session right now, bless our minds, bless our hearts, keep us free from greed, keep us free from envy, keep us free from all the negative emotions that can be quite a problem in this industry. Help us keep our eyes and minds focused on you and do this in the best possible way that we can. We ask this in your heavenly name, Father. Amen.
Amen. Chad, you guys know what to do. Drop an amen there, because where there's more than two, we know he is present and here with us. But before stream ends today, Ed must be bold.
No joke. Actually, I have the clippers in my bag. Eh?
Chad,
We can make that happen.
We can make it happen. We'll figure it out somehow. But Chad, let's get into it. As always, we're going to start off here. Quick rundown on the fundamental chat for you guys, just so that you guys can see. I'm not talking rubbish just to get out of streaming. But there is not that much news for us yet today. A little bit of pound. It is a French bank holiday, so I think we'll see a little bit of volume down on that side. But there you guys can see it, Canadian and USD bank holiday, hence no New York stream. But that will be it there for us today. But for London session, pretty much clear sailing. Going over to the charts, let's kickstart it off with the dollar. Now, if you guys remember from yesterday, I said to you, I'm still neutral, but I am leaning a bit more to a bearish outlook. We obviously have an idea that we're going to the second week of the month, and the monthly pivot still remains untested for us, so that is something we want to trade to. And when we start looking down the 4 hour, we are breaking structures. Now, one thing to take note of, and I mentioned this to you guys yesterday, we had that little gap we opened up with. Now, the thing is that we claimed down to close it, but we hovered around, they couldn't get away. And eventually later into yesterday evening, we started to break back to the top side. Going back in today, nothing really happening. A little bit of a gap, but almost immediately closed on the open. And now what we can see is that we did have this little bit of a move, trading down, a fake out of the lows, as you can see here from Asia low, trading bullish, giving us that Asia high retest, and then pulling back. The thing for me now is we almost had a little bit of a fake out if we took that previous daily high, which would have been beautiful. Then what I would have looked for is the same idea. Now I've seen us take Asia lows, a close underneath Asia lows, and then I want to see it run. Once we can take out these lows and also be holding under the EQ, this is where I expect it just to waterfall to the downside, alright? But we're gonna have to see what happens. It is obviously a bank holiday, so not gonna expect too much from the dollar overall today, whether it is London or New York session. Going over to US 30. Again, quick one here. I always like to talk to you guys about the idea that I am a bit more bearish on a bank holiday, because as I always say, it's very easy to score against a team when there's no goalie. So having the US out of action should be a little bit of a walk in the park. Now when we start seeing that again, if I am bearish in the pair, Monday, Tuesday, we want to see opposite direction. Monday we had a nice quick sell, then it came aggressively back into last night, and now we want to obviously start dropping off. So the first thing we want to take note is, if we have a look over here, these were the beautiful sells we caught almost instant yesterday. A lot of guys asking, okay, Keegan, but where did you guys were? You guys know that was the position there for us. We ran a 60 stop as always. There was our 60 and the 1 to 2. As I mentioned to Slashy last night, we ran an idea of, for myself personally, I took a little bit more, so we ran the 1 to 4 and that was the move over there. So beautiful trade there for us. But yeah, going to plan quite nicely. Then again, right after that, I can't even tell you why this happened, but absolute rocket ship to the top side, and now very tight range over there. So what I do want to see happen today is that you can see we have that almost, if you want to call it the liquidity sweep, or the fake out, giving us Asia highs, where there we're now holding that previous daily high very nicely, and almost making a nice level of a low here. So once you break Asia lows, if we hold here, same idea, I'm expecting a waterfall to come back, because there wasn't really a reason for this as we sit here right now that I'm aware of. So as long as this can move, you want to see this thing kind of just waterfall back to the downside, and just correct that move. As I say, always Monday, Tuesday, opposite direction. So if this was our opposite direction, this should, in theory, be the high of the week, and now see the sell-off start to come in. Going over to gold to finish it off. What can we see here? So obviously got my 2 areas marked out. I'm definitely bullish again on gold. Got quite a few zones I want to see come into play. As I mentioned to you guys, this is now game time for gold. Only one place I really can see gold going, and that is up. But what I want to monitor here as we stand is, if you quickly go back to the daily, you're going to see there almost is basically no bottom wick on the day. So hence why I've got my alerts. So my 2 alerts is on, as you guys can see, previous Asia highs and previous daily low. Alright, so what I want to monitor over here is that that thing is a little bit chalked, because now my previous daily high and Asia low on the same spot. But either way, my alert is over there for you guys. So we want to see what's going to happen is 2 simple things. If we can get a break of volume, I want to go for the break, and if we go for Asia lows, I want to see a fake out. So nice test, fake out, and then that's where I'm going to look to take the position bullish again. If I can get that move, trust me, I am holding, and I'm probably going to aim for the R1, even longer term, and aim for that R2, maybe 41.50. Oh, that is 50 there. So yeah, R2 would be then after that. So nice little bit of a swing position almost. But we'll see what happens there. But Chad, that is everything from me. I'm going to patiently wait for gold to see if I get the setups I want. Otherwise, I'm happy to sit here. We had a monster day yesterday, so nothing to force. But big man Ed, over to you, brother.
All right, Chad, starting off the analysis with US of 30. Now, I've been away from the charts the last couple of days, so this is my first round back. So looking at how things are, yesterday, nice little gap up, closed that gap immediately, and now we started off the session with a nip of previous daily highs, and now we're swinging bearish on the daily candle. So to me, I'm looking for possible short positions from here, which I'm probably going to enter in the next little while. If we can get a closure below Asia low today, then I am going to go for a young little bearish position, probably up to the daily pivot, maybe even the EQ, and then we'll see what ends up happening. Normally, when we reject previous daily highs like this, we can expect a little bit of a bearish continuation. However, if we do it during Asia, then it's pretty much anyone's guess if that is going to hold for the rest of the day or not. So I'm just going to be monitoring this. If I get a 15-minute closure below Asia lows, I'll probably execute on that. So that's going to be my plan here for London session. Going on to NASDAQ, baby Nazi. She a little bit less clean than what US 30 is doing. We also had a little bit of a gap, I believe, yesterday, but we closed that. And we are still open on the gap we created a while back. Let me see here. Oh, yeah, we closed that already. Anyway, so what very similar price action in terms of the daily. We just wicked over previous daily high, and we've gone down. Now, price has moved a little bit further with NASDAQ than it has US 30. So I think risk to reward ratio isn't great. We've already closed below Asia lows here. So that entry I would have loved to have taken there. So I am expecting a little bit of a bearish continuation down to the daily pivot. And then from there, anyone's guess what's going to happen here. So the move on NAS looks like it's already happened. So I'm going to try and anticipate that on US 30. So yeah, that's my little plan of action here for London. I am in on a nice little swing position on gold, just for interest's sake, which I entered several days ago. When was this? 27th of October, ended at 4,000. Was hoping for a little bit more of a retrace to 3,800, which we never got. But we are deep in profits on that right now. So your boy's back to being an investor. I'm investing on the gold. So we're going to hold that till kingdom come. And then I'm going to be one of those guys who be like, oh, I've been holding since 4,000. We're at 6,000 now. And no one's going to believe me. And I'm going to point them onto this. And I'm going to be like, listen, proof is in the pudding. So that's me, Chad. That's what I'm going to be looking for. So just looking for this closure under Asia lows on US 30 in the next 2 minutes. And then we'll maybe execute on that.
All right, there we go, Chad. Let's have a look here quickly.
Oh, come on, man.
All right, Chad.
That is actually hilarious.
Hey, Keeks, the US shutdown issue, where it was resolved or it was communicated as that, so the market had a reaction. Are you saying that about the US study where I was talking about that move? What do you mean it was spoken? Did they said it's ended? Because the thing is, did they just talk about it? Because I don't see how they would have done anything major, like for example ending it or extending it or whatever the case, and it wouldn't have made headlines. Because even, for example, stupid example, but this little thingy over here already signified to you any major news that just came out. So for example, this tells me there, Comex Gold Futures, bullish momentum resurges, daily chart shows market talk. Gold in year 3-week peak on rate cut, best traders eyes into US shutdown. But if, for example, if I went over to US 30, during that massive spike, we have nothing that even triggered news over here. You see that? So that's also, I'm just checking, my brother, where you saw that or heard that, or what exactly was it about? Just checking I didn't miss any other messages from you guys. Now bot doing the little disclaimer there for us. Now we see why Ed is still single, because he gives breaking promises.
Just like it. Oaks are digging into me now. Yo.
I was hoping I would be seeing keys. Trace Gibson this morning. London, I think all of us were. Bray, you know, you did us dirty though that day. Oh yeah. No guys, we'll live stream it today. We'll literally New York session. We come in New guys, where's Ed?
Gone.
No, Ed's gone.
I tickled myself pink with that one. Okay, Chad, I'm going in on this trade on US 30. Little sell stop underneath the low there. I'm going what's this thing? Stop loss just above previous daily high. So it's about a 71-ish pip stop. I'm just gonna go for the daily pivot. So 1.5R trade there.
Most likely in this week, it will be up to Trump when the letters arrive to the White House. The lawmakers met last night at 6 regarding the US Senate passing the bill. Okay. Thanks for the update there, Rixie. I was having dinner at that time, and then I was playing Battlefield. Chad, I promise you, you guys understand, like, as much as the running a business side is fun, like, I really don't look at the charts when I leave after a New York session. I'm not trading that time. If I'm working, it's more on the business side. But I really don't look at the charts anymore. I needed to have a detach from it. It was getting unhealthy.
Still not in, Chad.
Market open. There we go, Chad. Is that round 3 and the only one for today. Markets open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Round zero. Fight.
Lego.
Nah, I mean, you have to, hey. There was a time as well, like, I used to overdo it. And I'm saying this from when I was in my DJing days to even when I was doing well as a trader, because it was just like, well, the more trades I'm taking, the more I'm trading, the more money I'm going to make now. And it was like, bro, it's literally the conversation we were having yesterday where I was, everything I was doing was just chasing money. Yeah, you can't do that. Yo, Chad, I might catch on Kakia. I don't know.
Do it. Do it.
I need to give it a bit because markets did just open.
Be brave, sir.
Sell, right? So here's the big question. If you looked at that chart, do you think the gray would be profits or the blue would be profits?
Oh, my chart. Yeah.
all made some mistakes
Also looking at Chad, I think we're in.
I just realized you trade in USD.
Yeah. On a US bank holiday in London session.
I will keep you in my prayers, bro.
That is a brave choice, Chad. Listen, this is not financial advice. This is my trade, not your own. If you copy this trade, you will lose money.
Yo, Keeks, yesterday I left a review on Prodigy. Afterwards, I saw that I only gave it a 1 star. Johan, how did you do that, brother?
Dare you?
How do I delete it or edit my review? Chronic, are you in the chat, my brother? It's not something I can really address now. Chronic, are you here? Can you maybe assist him, please, my brother?
No, it's too late. You've already been banned for life.
Can you edit the review?
You must be able to.
Can I chalk his review?
That's too late. Yeah, ouch.
Yo, I
Banned
didn't even realize that, bro.
Banned for life now. Go away.
Chronic, yeah. Chronic, can you maybe just assist him there, please, my brother? As I have no clue. You stupid fly. Let's get a classic quickly. Was that you? I was wondering which person.
Ruan, thanks, man. Feels good to be back. Although my body, funny enough, my body's not feeling too bad. Just my right leg, man. My right hip, right knee, right lower back does not feel great. The rest of me feels like $1,000,000. I'm just tired. Yo, it was a mission to wake up this morning. But it's good. Back at gym today, because I got another comp end of the month. That'll be my last one for a while.
Where are you competing?
The Abs Pro in Joburg.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Is he doing it? I hope he's not. Is he doing it? Damn it. So, Chad, we're fighting for like last place here. Yo, Rowan, I was worried about those deads, man. I was waiting for the hip to just give up on me. Because the hip, I pulled something in my hip during squats. So the whole time during deadlifts, I'm like, oh, this hip just needs to stay together. It just needs to stay together for a few more lifts. So as I got like just above the knee, I was like, okay, the hip feels good. The hip feels good. I can finish this. It's like, no, it was a sick day, man. I think that's the most fun I've had competing in a long time. Would be such a better feeling if you went bald. I swear, boys, today is the day. This is the last time you're going to see the boy with hair. Today's the day, I promise. I'll make a post about it and everything. we're because it's a bank holiday, we're not going to stream New York, so I'm going to leave the office early, straight to the barber. Number 0, all gone. Although I haven't gone bald since 2018. I don't know if I feel like the shape of my head has changed. I don't know if I still got the head for it. Mark, all depends. You get some people who like because London started now at 10, so like from 12:1, session volume is going to be really slow because you're not going to get that rollover. I probably will still trade the Power Ranger though, because I did not take into account when I was back testing it. I ignored all bank holidays and all that, so all my stats are collected with ignoring that kind of thing. So I'm just going to probably trade it. If it works out, awesome. If it doesn't, is what it is. Don't want to mess with my statistics. Slushy, that's why I'm only shaving it now, so that I could set something at Worlds, shave it off, get like a 10% testosterone increase from having a bald head. I'm gonna grow the beard out, and that's another 10% increase in testosterone. I'll be ready for the Abs Pro. There was method to the madness, I swear. This is calculated. It's all part of the plan. Coach just uploaded my workout for today, so it's gonna be good. I'm gonna go to the barbershop first, then gym. Although I don't feel like paying barbershop prices to go bald. I feel like I could do it myself. After going bald, profitability will follow. That's why Bonang shaved his head. He realized there's a correlation. You get more money after you get a shaved head. Oh, Chad. It's gonna be good though. It's gonna be good. You see, I can weigh in less at weigh-in time. Also, it's calculated. This is a performance boost.
Yeah, you said, bro, did you actually read any of the comments on the stream when you were competing?
No, I didn't read them.
Bro,
oh, they probably tore into me, didn't they?
I died of laughter. I can't even remember who it was. If it was Jordan, I have a feeling it was Jordan or it was Brian.
Probably tore into me. Oh, it had to have been Brian.
Bro, the only one that always stands out to me, and I was like, guys, when you failed your squats, they were like, see, he would have got the squat if he was bald. Aerodynamics, it just makes sense.
Oh, I knew the chat would have been ripping into me. That's funny. Oh, it's so funny. NYSE will be a solid barber stream. Can't try. I swear, boys, I'm done. We went to Worlds with hair. We're back. We're gonna go bald.
He did you dirty, Chad.
Oh, it's funny.
He did you dirty. Yeah, I need to stretch this hip when I get to the gym today. This is still uncomfortable. Eddie, you on TikTok, bro?
Technically, yes, but I haven't posted anything there in months. On the talk, I don't know. I don't like TikTok. Like even like personally for reels and stuff. I just don't like using it.
Bro, I won't lie. Like, I use TikTok, but that's like my brain rot. Like I just go in there to like watch, scroll, and I'm just bored out of my mind. But yeah, now I'm posting just the raw, unfiltered content of TGs.
Oh, okay.
We're trying to see. We're gonna see how long it's gonna be till we pick a fight with someone on TikTok.
Knowing you guys, it won't be too long. It's they will start something, and you'll be like, okay, you're gonna start something, I'm gonna finish something.
Oh, Chad.
So funny.
I mean, what was it? We were. Chad, how long was it? Were we on stream like the first time for YouTube? We were on stream for 3 weeks.
It wasn't long.
3 weeks, and then we picked a fight with one of the biggest influencers in South Africa.
Was not long at all. Oh, that's hilarious.
Bro, I will not forget that day. We're sitting there, and I don't even think you weren't even in the office yet. We're sitting there, Chris and myself, we're sitting on the couch, we're having coffee, like getting ready for stream, and he comes to me and says, "That's it, we're gonna reveal who he is today." I'm like, "What?" He says, "We're revealing it. I'm putting his name, I'm putting everything out there. You must take the mask off." And I'm like, "What?" He's like, "Bro, you serious?" He's like, "I'm doing it, screw it." I'm like, "Oh boy. Oh boy." Andre, glad to actually see you there, my brother. While you're there, please pop me your assistant's number again. I've got another person who I'm bringing to you as a client, but I can't remember what the hell I had your assistant's number saved under, so I can't find it. But please just pop it through to me again, just so I can forward it through. I don't know if I should forward your number or forward your assistant's number. Just let me know.
Speaking of revealing the mask, you know, he sent me a cease and desist letter.
Oh, when you did the video?
Yeah, I did a video on him.
Did he really?
He sent me a cease and desist letter through his lawyer.
And what did you do?
I like ignored it until the last possible second, and then I just put I put the video as invisible. But I'm waiting to prop it back up.
Just put it back. Bro, he's not gonna do shit.
Prop
He's
it
not
back
gonna
up.
do anything. Do you guys work or
No,
do you do this full time? No, my brother. I'm actually a professional gamer. This is what just I do to quickly buy rigs and all that fun stuff. But I'm actually low key. Scamp, he's actually like my best mate. Scamp, Shotzi, all the boys. Chad, and that is me. I'm in on gold.
Hey.
A bit of an aggressive entry, yeah, but I just want to see something here quickly, Chad. Looking at entry, yeah, I can run a 50 stop, yeah. So 50 is nice for us. And we want to see that move. There will be your 1-to-1. But we will see what we get ya. Oh damn, screen, sorry guys. Oh damn. There you guys go. Sorry guys, sorry, so sorry. There is a position. You're on the screen, yeah, sorry guys. Like thanks Geeks, is this for short term? Yeah, please send my number. I will then have my ladies call the person. Okay, perfect, no problem. We do this for V-Bucks. Quickly. No stress, Andre, no stress, my brother. Always said if you look after us, we look after you. I do hate trading bank holidays, but hopefully this is a nice one. Maybe it changes my opinion on bank holidays.
They tend to be slow.
Way too slow for me, bro. Send your WhatsApp key. I'll check now. So technically, Chad, I'm going to be honest with you. If this candle closes where it is now, it actually has invalidated the trade. But for myself, I'm going to stick it out. Oh, Chad. But what have you guys been doing? You guys been catching on trouble? You guys been behaving? Sometimes I just gotta check in on you guys. How many accounts have you blown?
All of them.
Sure. You guys are naughty, we know that. Yeah, so guys, NT5 video is almost on 200k views. It's crazy, bro. It is crazy. There we go. I said to you guys, the first candle there invalidated it, but nonetheless, we are bulletproof. We will sit it out like troopers. I will take that on the chin. Then we get ready to go again, gold. I got both my candles for you today. Because there's no New York session. So we shall see what gold wants to cook up. But in the meantime, I'm out of mind. So back to Edsky. Edsky at least in the profits, in the blues.
We are? Hey, look at that. Things are happening. Things are happening. This is all good. This is all good. I woke up 15 minutes ago and we up 0.5 for the day. What a way to start the day. Well done.
Nothing wrong with that.
You know what? Go back to sleep, guy. You're already a winner for the day.
Sheesh.
Call it a day, champ. You earned it. Yes, Rock's 650 pips up for the day. On where? Gold? What did we move that much today? Hey, Chad, is this 10 pips yet? Can I claim a 10 is 10? Not 2 pips shy. Almost. Almost. Almost there. Almost there. I think a 70 to 10 is about where the current trend is, eh?
Sure, Chad, did we get wicked? Did we get wicked, Chad? That will be a little bit bleak if we did. These markets are taking their time.
What a boring day to be a trader.
Yeah. We're really gonna be just sitting here now. Just sitting here patiently. Oh yes, baby. Damn keys, I think just hunted the stop loss. Yeah. No, but as I said to you guys, I already could tell after that candle, it technically did invalidate the first 5 one. Oh, Chad, these markets are moving slow. There's like no volume right now. So now I'm just waiting. Now we wait.
Now we wait. I am craving Debonair's pizza. Like that triple decker, something meaty. I feel like that would do things to my soul right now.
Alright, James, will there be an afternoon session US bank holiday tonight? No, my brother.
No, sir. Itsuki's gonna be shaving his head.
Bro, did we literally get wicked, Chad? Like, look at this, Chad. This isn't even funny.
Oh dear. Oh dear. That is
Like I always said, bro, this continues down by all means. But if this does one of these, that is pain, bro.
that is make you want to drop kick a baby.
That is pain.
That make you wanna let your girlfriend catch some hands.
US, Canadian, and French bank holiday. Yeah, Richard, as we said, we're not expecting crazy volume, so I'm not going to do anything hectic here today.
Chaz, it's 10 pips.
What time is the US market closing? Well, it's got to open first.
Yo, Chad, 10 is 10. TP hit.
I'm not saying anything.
I want all the W's in the chat. 10 is 10, folks. Come on.
No, bro, keep this running. No, he's not closing, bro. I don't know what bills I'm paying for with that.
Listen. I can. Yeah, I'm all for cashing out your profits and all, but what would that be? A negative 1 to 7 RR. I could never.
Smashing the markets.
I put US 30 on a stretcher.
Fabs, I'm not even bothered, bro. Everyone is trying to replicate us in this industry at this point. Oaks can do what they want, how they want. Every guy thinks it's greener on the other side, and then they come back. I'm not bothered by it anymore. No jokes.
No, we're just taking the piss.
Did you see Bonang flamed someone this morning for sharing his signals in their own group? Nah, I'm gonna check that out.
I actually want to see what Bonang is like when he's pissed off.
Keys, when you have a chance to ask a question in the G chat, don't want to ask it here. Alright. Let me have a look here for you, my brother.
On a more serious note, where is my 1:1?
You sure that's not 1-to-1, bro?
Down here. What is that? 323. Meow.
That's taking so long to load. Ruin, technically, no, we don't.
But I put his helicopter, so that's another shot. I would love to see that actually. So many egos in this industry, Chad.
What's that? Yeah, I've already sent everything to him.
So the cocaine shipment's coming tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'll bro, tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
Okay, Ruin, I answered you there in the group there, my brother. I do appreciate you messaging on the group though, and not like I think I just blurred it out, yeah.
He's good, bro. A pie and a coke if he hits SL, so his diet is.
When I believe Helica hits it on his shots, then they'll imagine starting free signals. The guy that stole the next might end up saying that he has first person. How can you imagine someone should something to upload security?
Yo, I am definitely getting pizza tonight.
Well, but okay, hold on, Chad. I need to see where did he post this, Chad? On his WhatsApp or on Instagram? Normally he shares it on both things. His WhatsApp. I'm just seeing his TikTok. Where is his? Bonanga mananga.
Bananga.
Wait, where did he post it? No, okay, yeah, but I'm saying if he posted on his, I'm not on his WhatsApp group. So if he didn't post him going off with the guy, then yeah, I won't see it there. As I say, guys, I'm not on these groups, so I won't see it. But is it a random guy who was just selling his stuff, or did he go for it? Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, is it actually someone with a platform, or is it just some random guy selling these signals? The guy who copy and paste these signals is from Sahil's free trade setup group. So the screenshots show. Damn.
Ooh.
Damn.
The plot thickens.
He joins the 2G streams as well. Keegs, you'll know him. 200. What's his name?
The plot thickens.
Yo. Chad, I'm not going to say anything, but you got it is wrong there. That is wrong. Nah, I know who he is. I know who he is. Yeah, it's yeah. Like again, you know what, Chad? There's 2 points in this. Like for example, we obviously see him, so he's in Project G as well. So for example, he can learn how we trade. He can learn all that stuff, and he can go share it to these other guys and whatever. But there has trades, like he's also taken our trades. He hasn't put it off as his own trades, like, but he doesn't give us credit. So at the same time, it's kind of doing what Shaq did, where you're just trying to play the thin line there. So you post in the trade you took with us, and then promoting, for example, another prop firm and promoting all this, and so that is a bit sketchy. I'm not going to say I'm the biggest fan of acting like that, but yeah, but literally taking someone else's trades and sending them as signals, that I really disagree with.
Yeah, that's a rough one. That's a rough one. Integrity?
Guys, they said
not
the
even
name.
once.
They said the name, guys. That's what Bonang said. At least give Bonang credit. Yeah. Like even if you took the trade and stuff, then at least give it credit to where you took it from. But you know, that's the thing where a lot of guys want to mentor and they want to put on this image that they are successful. You also have to understand, like a lot of these guys, for example, and this is a lot of guys in this industry, they are flexing, for example, that they took a trade and they hit profit, for example, on a funded account. They're not telling you that's a funded account. They're not telling you it's even in funded, that it's in phase one. They're not even telling you that actually I'm 6% down, but hey, I hit profit, and they're just going to show you, hey, I made 20K today. I made 40K today.
Yeah.
Follow me to do this. But they won't tell you that they're down. They won't tell you that that's not a live account. They won't tell you. So a lot of these guys, they always play in the game of illusion, to make you think something of them and look a certain way. And
illusion.
so I always say, be just transparent with it. Give credit where the credit's due. And that's why we even said, like, it's not that I'm trying to be funny. We, for example, obviously support Bonang, but I don't even want to see Bonang stuff. Like, you can tag me his posts, I'll share it for him, whatever the case is, but like, I don't want to be on his groups. I have my style, I have I trade, and that's it. I don't even need to see other people's stuff. Does that make sense? So where, yeah, you're going to confuse yourself, you're overwhelming, and
Yeah, listen. That is very true.
but yeah, these oaks that all want to act like they successful full-time traders, and then if you send in other people's things, bro. I mean, we know another person who did that. The 2Gs is literally powering the movement, but that is the problem, Chad. These things are always going to come with the idea of that we have a free platform. It's a bad thing at the same time. But if we could trade, if we didn't live stream, so for example, we traded purely for our community, think how much of this would have been controlled. Like, just think of that. I'm not saying we're doing it. I'm not saying we're going to take the streams down, we're going to disappear now, guys. But I am saying, it's just think about it in that aspect. That, yeah, if all of this wasn't around for actually people who are, I'm not even going to say we're good, just say we're decent at trading, and we're doing it for free, that you fuel all these other guys. We have seen it. I mean, you guys as the community have seen how many times Oaks have copied our trades. So, but no, Bonang's right, bro. Bonang must call him out. The fact that he called Bonang butthurt after getting caught.
No, man. Oh, I love when Oaks double down like that. You'll do a really shitty thing and just like, nope, I'm right, you're wrong.
You know, but even then, bro, again, I'm not going to say the names, but for example, we were talking about the person yesterday who Radl made the video on. And I said to Chris yesterday, because I said I actually went to go watch it, and I see he responded and he made an apology thing and all of that. Bro, you knew exactly what you're doing. Don't talk cuck here now, because end of the day, you still promoted your broker IB link at the end of it, saying, if you want to trade with conditions like this, check my comment broker for you to send me my broker link. You're literally saying that was you, and if you want these conditions as well, let me send you to my broker. And at the end of the day, then your comment was, that's why I said I was reviewing a trader, and I didn't say I did. I said trader did this. What? Bro, anyone that knows social media, and this is a guy who wants to claim he knows social media, you're never going to say I. And this is, again, a little social media tip for you. Social media doesn't give a shit who you are. It works with keywords. So if I went and I said I did something, social media, the algorithm's not going to pick it up. But if I turn around and I say trader did something, it already picks up the niche, is obviously for trading, and it picks up that and it can push it to traders. So when people want to come and say, bro, you trying to be clever with your words, you flipping know exactly what you did. And it's the same thing there, bro. Oak's trying to still double down, and I didn't mean it that way, and I can see how my wording was, bro. So actually, bro, I feel bad now for being a PE boy. What's this, bro? It's funny. Straight copy and paste. A TP hit on my master account, 300 to 70,000.
Well done. Well done.
These guys will have to answer for the actions one day. Yeah, and I thought Cape Town had the dodgy oaks.
Hey man, every city has their own. You get all kinds. You get all kinds.
Boys. No, Chad, these oaks. It's the KZN boys. Is it fair to say international brokers are mostly more reliable than the local? Yeah, that's a very, very fair statement to say. We spoke about it the one day, but we still said to you guys, you can go back and look at it. All the guys, even these scammers, made the comment saying, only trust the international brokers. They are the best. You don't work with the local guys. And then what happens? They don't get the deal they want with the international. Don't trust these international brokers. Go work with this one. They are. And I'm like, boys, you guys. But Keys here is also active rats in the chat today. Chatting like I see. They always find a way in. 100%, bro. 100%. Rixie, you know, not Rixie, sorry, Slashy, and this is the one thing I'll say again. I don't care who you are. And this is not us choosing violence. This is us just calling wrong for what is wrong. And this is now, again, not even a shot at the ladies. This is a shot purely at the men. The men, yeah, you guys are sometimes worse than women. You guys love to stir the pot and cause more cuck than the women do and cause the drama. And thirdly, all you men are getting to a point where it's becoming keyboard warriors. You guys will go there in your chat cuck, and you guys will go there in your chat cuck, and you guys will come here and you'll say the praises, but then you're going to come there and you're going to talk ill of us with the exact same tongue. You want to use the product because this product and this prop firm is going to pay you out and all the greatest things. But then you're going to go somewhere else. You're going to tell people how cuck the prop firm is. And then when it comes to the moment, you see us out and about, you want to tell us how much of a chummy we are and how much you love us and you love the community. And as a man, you can't do that, bro. There's no leadership. There's no morals. There's no values. What the hell do you stand by? What the hell do you expect to lead your family as one day when that's the example you are setting as a person, as a man? Because that's where I say to the guys, and we've always said it to you guys, don't come here with cease and desist, don't come here with your cuck, don't come here with this. If you've got a problem, pull up and let's sort it out like a man. If you don't, take a seat, shut up and listen. And we've always said that. So these snakes, these guys that want to go on, these little scammers, we build this community to do such a thing, but at the same time, whether we're younger, whether we're older, you got to be able to call a guy out on his shit. Even if it's your bro, if Ed did something wrong, I got to call him out and say, Ed, that wasn't cool, bro. That wasn't right what you did. If we think you did something wrong, we've got to call you out. This chat, it's the end of the day, you know what, hey? This is going to go back to the exact same day, if you guys can remember this. And Ed is a witness to this. And I can show you photos, I can show you everything. And this is why it was so important for all the OG chat that were here. You guys can remember the day we called Jay out. That is a mate of mine. Or was a mate. We don't have an issue now. We will greet each other if we see each other out. But like, we were close. We went for lunches, we hanged out, we had bras, we did everything. And the day it came out that he faked a withdrawal, we had to call him out, because I can't be as a guy and have my morals and values, but now when my mate does something, I must turn a blind eye and say, I didn't see that. Because where are my principles then? If I'm here for the community, if my mate does something, I got to call him out on it. Because if anything, I'm giving him the rect of the idea that he can see he's wrong and he can correct himself after that. Because if you let them carry on, they're going to go down the wrong path for too long.
Yeah.
And we still said, we prayed he was going to prove us wrong. For all of you guys that remember that, you will remember, we said, I hope he's going to come on here and prove us wrong, and we will apologize on stream. And that didn't happen. And I lost a friend that day because of it. But again, that there maybe wasn't someone that was meant to be in your circle. So you weigh up your options. But as men, and that's why I'm saying this, guys, this is not a message to the women. This is as men, we need to fix our shit. We need to start acting like men. We need to start acting as leaders. You need to have morals. You need to have values. And you need to have principles you stand on. Because if you don't, what the hell is the point of anything here, guys? What is the point? So, again, like our brother Bonang did there, like you as the Chad, if someone does something wrong, don't keep quiet. Call them out on it. Don't sit there. Same thing. If I ever sat here and I said, guys, I did something, call me on it. Call me on it and let's sort it out.
Iron sharpens iron, Chad. So someone isn't your friend if they're not willing to be honest with you and tell you, like, listen, dude, I don't think what you're doing is right. Then you're not really friends. You're just guys who hang out every now and again.
Literally. Two-faced people are the worst, yeah. Like not going bald.
I'ma fix it, man. I'ma fix it.
We had to go completely there now.
I heard you. I'ma fix it.
That is 1,000% correct, Key. Spit the facts, brother. Need to start taking accountability. Yeah, 100% Key. If I agree, if your friends don't hold you accountable, they aren't your friends. Yeah. Calling out Ed that air. Nah, Chad. As I say, it took a little bit of a south there. That was our little preachy moment for you guys. But, and again, as I say, please, for the women that had to just listen to our banter there quickly, that is for the men. That is not at the women here. That is at the men. We need to get our shit together.
Now, for the women, get back in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
Cancelled.
It was low-hanging fruit. I couldn't help it. I have the humor of a 12-year-old.
Yeah. Man, yeah. Cancelled, yeah, Chad.
I take it back. I was joking.
Bro.
Oh, I could be such a child sometimes.
Gold, you're causing me pain yet today. Jeez, that was deep but true. Mic drop. I appreciate it, Jen. No wonder you're single, Ed.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Man's choosing violence. Yo, bro, gold must just break out. It's literally back at our entry again. Okay, Ed, you don't want me to start.
I like the banter. If I can dish it out, I should be able to take it too.
War has started it, thanks.
Oh, it's all in good spirits. It's all in good fun.
You saying that now, Chad? We all laughing, yeah. Or give it like 5 minutes. We're gonna get hit with this essay there in the chat.
I really don't appreciate how you like, oh boy.
We'll go off on Ed. Chad, you know when he's really gonna be in crap? Is when the females in the chat, they're gonna be sending in those Instagram reels. Are you truly a man if you treat your woman like this? How many times have you left them unappreciative? How many times did you not thank them for the little things that go unnoticed every day? Then that's when you know, bro. Now you ain't cock. Now Ed needs to send out discount codes for the females.
Hey, they will do. That'll be a good apology.
I've been on the previous Iron 2K. Hey, Chad, Iron 2K's been killing it. What is it, the 5 or the 1? Oh yeah, the 1 gave a bar.
Yo, Chad, markets are slow today.
Oh bro, they're not going anywhere.
Now, what have we done since the open? What is this range? Like a freaking 44 pip range in an hour. Jeez.
They are not in any hurry. They are chilling, yeah. Jay, this is that moment. So technically now, I have a re-entry. But do I want to do it? That is the $1 million question here.
You can do it. Be brave, sir.
It is lucky Plamena is not here. Otherwise, it would have been over for Ed. Yeah.
Yo, her and Brian would have tag teamed the shit out of me.
Alright, Chad, I'm going to show you guys. So again, this is the only reason I'm not taking this one now. Is that it technically is a copy and paste. You guys can literally see it's the exact same entry. So that would have been the position. But I'm not going to take this one. The only reason I'm not taking it is it's, again, a literal copy and paste. But the big thing is that because for us, it is the idea of no volume really, yeah. So that is the only reason I'm not taking this again. If we had volume, you know what, I wouldn't be minding that, but we are at the exact same place on price and no volume. I don't know if you'll really get anything here, but that is the trade there. It is technically a valid trade. Yeah, we are aware of that, but also, I mean, you are also in the London session, you're not even in New York session, so it's definitely going to move slow. Mark's doing nothing, Keith's going to shave Ed's head.
A little bzz bzz. Hey Chad, did the boys tell you we're doing No Nut November? We got a whole pot, a little prize pool, a little prize pot going. My money's on Mo to lose. Mo is definitely losing soon too. I think I'm going to do well. I'm the only one here who does not need to perform the natural obligations. Is Bonang back? I think he's back. I don't know. I've been gone for the week. I should actually ask if he's back in the country. Hey, there's all prize pool, Eddie. I'm gonna win me some money. I'm gonna win me some money. As you talk to us when your hair's gone. Hey, Oaks are giving me a hard time here. I promise I'm taking care of it today. Even if I gotta shave my head myself, I'll do it. I was telling the boys about the No Nut November little comp we got going. He's still winning. He's still in the race.
I forfeited, bro.
Boys, I'm about to get paid.
Hey, bro.
I'm about to get paid.
We need proof here, though. See, Weaver, no one to verify your result.
Exactly. There's no one to verify the result.
Aye. Chad, but you see, that's counterintuitive there. Because at the same time, Ed, you could have gone bold to world then.
I could have gone what?
Because what was your reason for not going bold?
Just because I didn't want to pull no one doesn't mean I don't want to look good while not pulling no one.
Chad, the man's literal words was, there's going to be some strong women over there.
And there was. What was her name? There was this 80-year-old lady in there, strong as an ox. Me and her had a good time at the after party.
There you go, Chad.
Should have got her number.
Edski's in the market for a sugar mummy.
Hey, me and her were cutting a rug, Joe. Yo, danced the night away with that lady. Hey, Ruan's rough out here, man. It's rough out here.
Fetch the Clippers keys. Hey. He's in trouble, Chad. He doesn't know it yet, but he's in trouble. Cut in the rug. Okay, boomer.
I did say she was 80. I had to speak to her in her language, man.
Oh.
Shame, she was cute as... She put her knee wraps on in the warm-up area so she could squat the bar. And I'm like, oh, Dani, what are you doing here? Like, how is this going to go? Did this lady not almost squat her body weight? I was shook.
Hey. You know, bro, this is gonna sound rude when I say this, but I also feel like there should be a league to actually enter these comps. Because your guys' standard to enter them looks very low.
It is not the highest.
When I saw a guy who was 90 kgs and his max bench was like 70. I was like, bro, how did you get here?
What was the...
Did you lie on your CV?
Which day was that?
It was the same day you were competing.
Oh, so it was the open... Oh, yeah. That's a little embarrassing.
Because there was a guy who was benching 60, but he was 60. So I was like, 1-to-1.
Nah, still though.
But I'm like...
Still though.
I'm going to a comp like this to watch a guy bench 60. I can't remember if there was ever a stage I couldn't bench 60. Nah, it was like...
I think when I first started, I think my first bench was like 35 for reps. I got to 60. I got to 60 relatively quick. And I was in high school too. You get some folks who just can't bench, eh? Like I have this one athlete of mine, Heinrich. Dude can squats in the 300s, deadlifts in the 300s. We're hoping to get a 140 bench now.
All right.
And I was like, I just can't bench to save his life. Shame.
Oh.
Yo, Jordan, my 16-year-old female athlete benches more than that guy. Like, what did Summer bench? 70? And she only weighs 66. Yo, Fubs, did you notice that? I was shook with that oak benching reverse grip. I don't know how he did that. He benched quite heavy too. That was insane. I feel like I would smash my face trying that. Yo, Chad, this trade's going nowhere slowly.
Of course, the paper trade of gold is playing out.
It wouldn't be trading if that didn't happen.
I'm like, look at that, Chad. Of course, the paper trade runs.
Oh, textbook.
I mean, what is trading if that didn't happen? Hey, story of our life here, Chad. Story of our life.
Eti, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. We are abstaining from all sexual immorality. I'm gonna turn No Nut November into just No Nut Life.
Sure.
I gotta lock in. Gotta find me a wife. I need Jesus to help me out here. Gotta lock in.
Man's on a mission here, Chad. Dun, 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 dun.
Adios, Camo. Have a solid day, bro.
Chad, if you guys are on that gold trade, please just go break even already. I'm watching this thing just run. There's your trade. There's TP. So that's done and dusted for you guys.
Oh, look at that.
Chad, this was a paper trade, but we actually were in this. It was a W trade. Well done, guys. Well done to all of you who took that. What a beautiful little rocket over there. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Chad, jokes aside though, I know a lot of you, as much as even the fact that that was there, I know so many of you guys took that trade. 100%.
Full again.
Bro, I don't have to think about it. I know you guys took that trade.
Alex never miss opportunity.
Derek, join Project G and you'll find out about that. I made coffee and missed it. Hey, of course we did. Definitely. Oh, thanks, Keys. Jeez. Keys, you should type no volume on the charts more often. Oh, yeah, Chad. But Chad, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, there's nothing much to really sit around here today. Obviously that trade's there for you guys, so well done to those who've used that, took that. Ed, I think we're gonna get ready to wrap it up, brother. Any little bit of a walkthrough or what you're gonna do with this trade for the rest of the day?
Chad, I'm gonna wait till about 12 o'clock-ish to see if I want to manage this. What I will do is probably just reduce risk, reduce stop loss by half. If we haven't run by then, because this looks like it's going to be one of those like rangy sort of days. And we'll go full break even at the 1:1, maybe even take profits, full profits there, just because of how slow the market is. But yeah, I'll wait till 12. We'll go half risk and then either full or break even at 1:1. That's the plan.
There we go. Chad, yeah, I think that's going to be it. Instead of, I'm not going to waste your time, I'm not going to waste our time. Instead of sitting there, I've got content, I've got some work I've got to get to. The team has some ads they need to shoot. So we're going to just get to it. Chad, there you guys have it. If you did take that, at least you break even now. If you took the first one, you got clapped with me. You took the second one, you have a nice break even one there for the day. But nonetheless, we're going to see what happens later on. New York session. Best of luck to those of you who are still trading it. You know what, Chad? I won't lie to you. I think you can get a move. I just think it's going to be a bit choppy. It might be a bit manipulating, stuff like that before you get it. Prodigy though, I will give you guys heads up. So if Chris and myself are still watching a little bit, if we do see something we like, we will give you guys the heads up. So watch out for that. Ed, thanks for joining, my brother.
Pleasure.
I think, Chad, what we're gonna do, I mean, I'll talk to Ed now about it. Maybe we'll go live on Instagram or something, or we'll do something like that if we shave him now. But we'll chat about that. Obviously, at the end of the day, it is his decision. So we'll decide what he wants to do. But W Stream G's, have a solid afternoon, everyone. W, my brother. And then, yeah, guys, as I say, Prodigy, keep your lookout there. For the rest of you, enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay blessed. And we're going to see you guys tomorrow. Remember, US bank holiday, so no New York stream. Keegs, I'll catch you tonight on Battlefield. Bro, I'm going to be there, trust me. That means technically I'm going home a little bit earlier today. So maybe if there's no markets, I'm going to go get on the games already. But just got to get work done first, hit the gym, and then see what I can do after that. But Chad, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Take care, Chad.
Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.
I'm so high.